I love weekends because they are like little holidays. On Saturday and Sunday, I don't have to wake up early. I open my eyes at 9 or 10 o'clock and smile because there is no school. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I eat a big breakfast with my family. Sometimes we eat pancakes, sometimes eggs and bread. Breakfast on the weekend is always special. After breakfast, I turn on the TV and watch my favorite cartoons. Sometimes, I dance to the music or sing very loudly. Even if I sing badly. In the afternoon, the real adventure begins. I meet my friends at the park. We run, we laugh, and we play football. Sometimes we buy ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is my favorite. Sometimes, my cousin comes to visit me. We play video games and laugh a lot. On Sunday afternoon, I help my dad wash the car. It's fun and sometimes we splash water on each other. In the evening, I stay at home. I watch a movie with my family or play a board game. We sometimes eat pizza or burgers for dinner. Before bed, I pack my school bag and check my homework. I don't like this part, but I know Monday is coming. Then, I take a shower. I wear my pajamas and go to bed. It's the perfect way to end a happy weekend. I wish every day was a weekend. Now tell me, what do you do on the weekend? Write about it.